Are you tired of hair fall? Are you worried for your dry, damaged, and dull hair? Are you someone who is looking to have long, shiny, healthy, and strong hair? So, today I have brought such a solution for all of you, which is homemade and absolutely natural. This solution is absolutely 100% safe to use, and the interesting part is that it is suitable for every hair type. So do not skip it and watch the full video because it can be the permanent solution of your hair fall.
Hello, my beautiful family. So, today I'm sharing a unique remedy with you of how to make aloe vera oil. I'm sure you haven't seen this remedy before, so make sure you see this remedy step by step and do like and share and subscribe to my channel. So, let's straight dive into the remedy.
First, we will need an aloe vera leaf. If you have a small one, you can use it entirely. However, if your aloe vera leaf is large like the one I am using, take only a limited amount as needed for this remedy. Let me show you. Start by carefully cutting off the sharp edges of the aloe vera leaf. Now, I am slicing the aloe vera leaf to the required size. You can see how much we'll be using for this remedy. If your hair is longer than mine, you may need to take a bit more. Next, I'm cutting this aloe vera leaf down the center, opening it like a book. This step is crucial. Soak the aloe vera overnight and wash it thoroughly in the morning. This helps remove the toxic yellow substance, ensuring your aloe vera is clean and safe for use. Now that the aloe vera is prepared, it's time to add the magic ingredients. First, I'll sprinkle flax seeds into the middle of the aloe vera, spreading them evenly, just like filling a sandwich. Normally, we boil aloe vera over a flame, but today we are using a new and more effective method. Next, I'll be adding some fenugreek seeds in the same way, sprinkled evenly across the aloe vera. These two ingredients, flax seeds and fenugreek seeds, are powerful hair growth, so don't skip them. If you are missing any of these ingredients, please let me know in the comments below and I'll share some substitutes for them. Now we add a third ingredient which is kalonji, or some people call it black seeds or nigella seeds. I'm using slightly less kalonji compared to the flax seeds or the fenugreek seeds. With all these three ingredients in the place, your aloe vera should look like a well-filled sandwich with the aloe vera on the outside and the seeds in the middle. You can see I'm showing you how beautiful sandwich it looks. Remember, we haven't scooped out the aloe vera gel. We have simply slit the leaf and added the ingredients inside. Now here's the next important step. Take a clean thin cloth like cheesecloth or a light towel and wrap the aloe vera in it securely. I have folded my cloth multiple times, but you can fold it at least 3 times. This wrapping ensures the ingredients ferment properly. Make sure to use a clean cloth only. If the cloth will not be clean, it can give impurities to your oil and then ultimately it will be harmful for your hair and your scalp. Now to start the fermentation process, sprinkle some water over the cloth. The amount of water depends on how many folds you have made. More fold means more water and less fold means less water. Once wrapped, keep it in a cool place for 3 days. Sprinkle water daily to maintain the moisture. You can check it daily if you like, but I prefer to leave it undisturbed. You can either sprinkle the water once a day, like once in every 24 hours, or you can do it twice a day. Just remember to keep it indoor in a cool, dry place. Kitchen top or the countertop will be the best place to keep it for fermentation process for 3 days. After 3 days, you will notice the ingredients have fermented so beautifully. Look at the fenugreek seeds. Look at the roots. They have sprouted the tiny roots, which are the excellent source for your hair and it strengthens your hair. Some seeds might stick to the cloth, but do not worry about it. Gently scrape them off and add them back. At this point, the mixture is ready for our next step. You can also add rosemary leaves if you like for extra nourishment. I have added fenugreek, flax seeds and kalonji. You can add some other ingredients too in the same aloe vera leaf. Now we have to add it into a jar. If your jar is small, cut the aloe vera into smaller pieces to fit. Otherwise, you can leave it whole. Now I'm showing you my jar. It was very small and I have tried to show you that it will not fit in. That's why I have cut this into two pieces. Make sure to choose the appropriate size of the jar because the too big the jar, it will not be helpful, and if it's too small, we cannot submerge into the oils. Now it's time to add some base oil. I'm starting with the coconut oil. Coconut oil because it deeply moisturizes the scalp, penetrates the hair better, and adds incredible shine to your hair. I have used about 1 cup of coconut oil here, though it's solidified due to the cold weather. But as per my experience, it's around 1 cup of coconut oil. I get many comments regarding the porosity of the hair and choosing of the hair oils according to your hair porosity type. If you have any confusion related to that, you can comment down below. I'll let you know which hair oil you have to use as per your hair porosity and your hair type. If you want, you can infuse in the coconut oil only, but I'll be adding my next oil, which is mustard oil. Mustard oil is known for its potency in promoting the hair growth. It's been used traditionally from generations with amazing results. And trust me, the people in the past, even they didn't know their hair porosity or their hair types. They all used mustard oil and they all had thicker and denser hair. Now, I'll be adding almond oil in it, which is great for low porosity hair. If you do not have these exact oils, feel free to use any of the oils. You can substitute with any oils of your choice. The quantity of all three oils is roughly equal. Make sure the oils fully coat the aloe vera and the seeds, allowing them to infuse deeply. That's why it was very important in the beginning to choose the right size of the jar and to cut the aloe vera into right size so they can easily dip down and penetrate into those oils. Cover the jar and let it sit for 2 to 3 days. You can stir the mixture daily to ensure the even infusion. What will happen when you stir it? The bottom part, which is already softened by the oil, will sit down, and the top part, which was not easily covered by the oil, will submerge into the oil now. If possible, you can place the jar in sunlight during the day and bring it indoors at night. After 2 to 3 days, you will notice the oils have infused beautifully and the mixture is ready to be strained. All the ingredients in it, fenugreek seeds, flax seeds and kalonji, which were the black seeds or people call it onion seeds, they are so potent for your hair growth. They will not only nourish your scalp but also gives an amazing shine to your hair. Strain the oil into an airtight bottle to preserve its quality. Look at that gorgeous golden color and the shine it has. It's full of nutrients for your hair. Do not waste the leftover ingredients. Squeeze out any remaining oil and add it to your bottle. The best part? You can reuse the leftover aloe vera and seeds to make a second batch. Just add some fresh oil and repeat the process for another 2 to 3 days. This way, you can maximize the benefit of this remedy. And there you have it, a powerful all natural hair oil infused with aloe vera, flax seeds, fenugreek and kalonji. So before I show you how to apply this incredible oil, let's take a moment to admire the results. Look at how shiny, strong and beautiful my hair has become. Keep in mind, I have been using this oil consistently for the past few months and the transformation has been amazing. Now here is how to use it. You'll all need to apply this oil 2 to 3 times a week. Be sure to give your scalp a proper massage while applying it. This step is essential to stimulate the blood flow and enhance the absorption. Leave the oil for a minimum of 2 hours and a maximum of 8 to 10 hours. When it's time to wash it off, use a good shampoo. The one I prefer is linked in the description below, so feel free to check it out. For even better results, I have also been using a toner and a leave-in conditioner as part of my hair care routine. You can tap on the screen to watch those videos and learn more about how I use them. I'll see you there. Till then, bye-bye.